Been a minute.
Should I try backflip?
I wouldn't. That trampoline's not very big. Oh, you did it. Is your mic still on?
I don't know. That's kind of scary. I ain't done that in a while.
Yeah, that trampoline's not very big. What was that?
Yeah. Alright, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh no.
You getting a little high there.
Huh?
You getting a little high there.
No. My hand-eye coordination isn't what it used to be.
Yeah, you know, when you turn 19, you lose all that.
No kidding.
What is that?
I'm kind of trying to get the motion of it.
Oh.
I don't think I can do it no more.
Yeah, you're gonna hurt something.
Yeah, oh, I'm seeing stars. That's so low. Yeah, low. Yeah, I'm too old for this. Oh, dang. I feel like I can land.
Oh, yeah, you almost did it in there.
Did I almost get it?
You almost did yourself in.
Oh. Did I go back at all?
Your big legs are just flopping around.
I know.
You might need to clean that off. Okay, well, that was sort of.
We're getting it?
Yeah, yeah.
Hold on.
There you go. Oh, you almost landed it. You almost stuck it.
Hold on. Alright, let me actually try this now.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, you
I ain't
did.
did that in years.
Really?
That's crazy. Alright, it took me a minute. I got it.
Oh,
We're done.
that's good.